Hello people, in this video let us look at this community health center. Basically it is a secondary care. Remember in the 3-tier system of healthcare you have seen this, guys, that yes people, in the 3-tier system of healthcare here you have the secondary, right? So primary, secondary, tertiary. So today whatever you are looking at, this community health center is coming where? Under secondary. So district hospitals, community health centers, taluk hospitals, all these come under what? Under what? Secondary. Very good. So now that is what we are looking at. So let's get started. So basically it's the first referral unit. So easy to understand, right? So from the primary healthcare they will refer. First referral, where will they refer to? To community healthcare. Very good. This is under what? This is under the state government. Its addresses one community health center will be there for 1,20,000 population. There will be one community health center. So for 1,20,000 population, how many community health centers? One. Very good. One per 1,20,000 population. It will have 30 beds also. It will have. That means they can admit 30 people. Each will have about 46 to 52 staff will be there. 9 specialist doctors. This is what you have to focus on. There will be 9 specialist doctors. Staff, everything inclusive, around 50. Just remember how many people will be there? 50 people will be there. 9 specialist doctors will be there. Okay. Who are these specialist doctors? Everything we have to look at. So what is this? This is a first referral unit. Yes. So basically you will have 9 specialists here. So all your final year subjects you remember. Which are those? Surgery, medicine, obstetrics, gynecology, pediatrics. 4 over. Then you add an anesthesiologist without which they cannot do surgery. Then you need radiology, etc. Right? Okay. Then you have to have ophthalmology, PSM and dental surgeon. Okay. So this will be your specialist. Other than this, you can have an Ayush medical officer. Okay. They didn't write any speciality as such. Then look at this. There will be supervising staff. Yes. A PHC with minimum 7 years experience. So they can become a community health center, is it? But anyways, they have not accepted this, they said. Though, guys, just focus here. The community health center, they can refer the patient to the state hospital. Okay. So the community health center may refer a patient directly to the state level hospital. Next. Standards for community health centers. You have this Indian public health standards, guys, which they are prescribing for this community health center. So they will provide routine and emergency cases, care for routine and emergency cases in surgery, in medicine. So obstetrics, gynecology, family planning, so all this obstetrics, gynecology. Then what did you see? Which was the fourth thing? Surgery, pediatrics. Okay, pediatrics and obstetric gynaec together. Okay. Then oral health. Okay, so the dental guy is fitting in here. Then you have school health, adolescent health, all that will put under pediatrics. Then blood storage facilities, diagnostic services. You saw the X-ray and lab services. Transport and maternal death review. See, according to me, in all this, the only thing that is new for you is blood storage is possible, transport services and maternal death review. That still you can put maternal death review, you can put in obstetrics and gynecology. So let's just arrange this. What I would say is, look at this structure, guys. If you remember the 9 specialities, anyways, it's your final year subjects, right? So what and all? Surgery, medicine, obstetrics, gynecology, pediatrics. Then some amount of radiology is there here. Then dental health services. That's it. If you remember your specialties, you can write these very easily. Just for extra, you write here blood storage facility and referral transport services. Blood storage, I would still put in surgery. What do you say? Are you understanding? What are we reading today? Community Health Center. Yeah. So in this, who and all will be there? 9 specialists. Can you say 9 specialists? 9. Yeah, 9 specialists. Okay, so let us look at this. Who and all are there here? We saw around 50 workers will be there. Let us look at the people who are there here. Dental surgeon, eye surgeon, anesthesiologist, surgeon, obstetric, gynecology, pediatrics. What else did you see here? General duty medical officer, specialty of Ayush. Okay, so Ayush is a specialty. Okay, then. That's it. So these are the people, right? Are they adding up here? There are 6 general duty medical officer, at least 2 female. Okay. There are 6 general duty medical officers. Okay. So guys, if you want to apply for job, then go for community health center. They have 6 vacancies for general doctor. Okay. These are the support manpower. You have nurses, 19 nurses. Totally they are adding up to 64. Dhobi, Mali, Aya, Peon, Chokidar, Sweeper, Ward Boy, Ophthalmic Assistant, Radiographer, Lab Technician, Pharmacist, Compounder, ANMS, Auxiliary Nurse, Midwife. I would say they have too many people actually. This is a community health center. Take a recap, guys. In this video, you wanted to look at community health center. It is a secondary level of health care. Basically, it is a first referral from the primary health care. It is under the state government. You have one community health center per 1,20,000 population. They will have also 30 beds. They will have 9 specialist doctors and about 60 members employed there. So basically, how many beds? 30 beds, 1,20,000 population will have one community health center. The specialists you will have are all your final year subjects, surgery, medicine, obstetrics, gynecology, pediatrics with some radiology facilities, anesthetician, ophthalmology, PSM. Don't forget PSM, guys. You may forget PSM. Remember PSM. PSM, guys, sits where in community health center. Dental surgeon, Ayush medical officer. So you have blood bank facility, right? Then you have supervisors. Then what else you saw? Community health center can refer to the state level hospital. If they want directly, they can refer there. Then they follow the Indian public health standards. They give you services in surgery, blood storage facilities, medicines, national health programs, physical medicine, rehabilitation, maternal health, maternal death review, newborn care, family planning, school health services, adolescent health services, oral health, diagnostic services, transport services. That is referral. Okay. Referral services is better. Who will give you transport and all? Maybe they have ambulance. What do you say? So basically, you have all this specialty guys sitting here. Then you have all the support manpower guys. That's it. We are done with community health center. Bye-bye.